Ever wondered how the world of aquatic orchids looks like? Imagine the beauty of orchids, but underwater. These aren't your typical garden varieties. Aquatic orchids are exceptional plants that have adapted to thrive in watery environments. They offer a unique charm to aquariums with their vibrant colors and intricate patterns. Some common types include the Blatilla striata and the Phragmipedium caudatum. These unique plants truly bring a touch of elegance and a splash of color to any aquarium. But how do you take care of these beautiful blooms underwater, you might wonder? Well, it's not as daunting as it sounds. The key to vibrant, thriving aquatic orchids is a balance of proper lighting, ideal water temperature, and nutrient balance. First, let's talk about lighting. Aquatic orchids aren't too picky about light, but they do appreciate consistency. Aim for about 12 to 14 hours of moderate light each day. Next up, water temperature. These plants prefer their environment to be a comfortable 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Any drastic changes could stress them out, so try to keep the temperature stable. Lastly, a balanced diet is essential. Regularly add a water-soluble orchid fertilizer to keep your plants happy and healthy. But what if something goes wrong? Common problems include yellow leaves or lack of blooming. Don't fret. These issues are usually caused by lighting or nutrient imbalance and can be easily fixed with a few adjustments. With the right care, your aquatic orchids will bloom beautifully, becoming the centerpiece of your aquarium. So, are you ready to dive into the world of aquatic orchids? Let's revisit the key points. Aquatic orchids are a stunning addition to your aquarium, bringing unrivaled beauty and a touch of uniqueness. Their care and maintenance, while requiring some effort, is well worth it for the enchanting underwater blooms. If you found this information useful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Discover the joy of aquarium gardening with us.